Right, we're back again. So, you may notice I'm inside. I'm at my mum's house as it happens, because she's not in. Anyway, the weather's a bit grim outside, which is why I'm inside. And I've just had some massive boxes delivered. So, I'm going to open them. What do we think's inside these boxes? Well, I'll spoil the surprise a little bit. It's Cayman parts. So we'll get opening and we'll see exactly what is in them. Right, so we're going to open this for the first time. Let's see what this is. And we've got what looks to be a rear diffuser. I'll get the bubble wrap off and I'll bring you back. Right, and there we go. That's exactly what it is. It's a rear diffuser. So it'll go obviously that way round and it'll sit obviously at the bottom of the bumper. The exhaust actually comes out here on the Cayman, as you most likely know. And yeah, that's it. So I wonder what's in the other absolutely massive box. Let's find out. Right, so spared you the opening process. At the end of the day, we've all opened a million cardboard boxes before. Well, what do we think this is? Well, it looks very much like a front splitter to me. But let's get the bubble wrap off and I'll bring you back. Right, so there we go. It is indeed a front splitter. It's like an air dam, what you see on track day cars, isn't it? Look, with the sticky out bit. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to obviously, I didn't realise they were going to come in like this matte black finish. I actually thought they were going to come in like a typical white fiberglass. So I'm actually really happy with it. I'm going to try them on. I might try and actually get them on this weekend. Fingers crossed. Now I can see that it's going to be a little bit more straightforward. I don't have to do any painting. So we'll try and get them on. And we'll take it from there really. So that's it. Just a brief update. I thought I've got a delivery. We've got no videos planned really. So I thought we'll just make a little one and stick it on YouTube. And keep the algorithm happy. So anyway, that's it really. Give us a like, a subscribe, all the other usual bollocks that everyone has to do. And yeah, that's it really. I'll bring you back once we've fitted everything, I suppose. See you in the next video.